Step into the water, way down a little bit deeper. Wet your feet in the water of His love.
Hi everyone! We as DeFriesens have received an exciting invitation. We have been given the opportunity to join a sail and sing Plotich ocean cruise as one of the featured artists with Paraguayan harpist Edward Clausen and several other music groups. The good news is that you are all invited too. We would love to have you join us and the over 500 people who have already signed up in February of 2027 for a one-of-a-kind experience. Sail the seas and take in the sights of God's beautiful creation. Meet and fellowship with Mennonites from all over the world. You can bring your family and enjoy a resort-like holiday on the ship. Take in inspirational and solid biblical teaching, wholesome children's entertainment, and of course, good gospel music in Plotich. If you're looking for a vacation that can give you physical rest, as well as spiritual refreshment that is good for the soul, this just might be the perfect fit. We hope to see you there.